How's it going, everybody? Three Toe Joe, Three Toe Customs here. Today we're gonna talk about a quick tip. Maybe you got an old four wheeler, an old side by side, or anything really made of metal. Some quick tips on how to get maybe your old bumper, you know, looking like new again. You know, a couple of quick, easy. Yeah, I mean it's real simple stuff. It might take you maybe an hour or so out of your day, or maybe more. Depends how slow you are, how many times you like to hit the bong. But anyways, all you really need is just a can of bed liner here, and an angle grinder or any kind of thing with a metal brush or a sander, whatever you like to use. I prefer to use an angle grinder with the wire brush on it. Seems to make quick job things here, and it does real nice, quick, easy job. No farting around here. We'll get to work. Come on, check it out. All right, so we already got the rear bumper off here on our off our ZR 800 here, project bike here that I'll be using to show you guys a lot of stuff that I normally do on these old machines, old beat up machines, to make them old spiffy again. Car just drove by with his muffler hanging on the ground. Pretty typical around here. But as you can see, this bumper, she ain't brand new. She's a little tweaked. She's got the rust spots, all up in here. The paint's all flaking off everywhere. It's not very appealing. Maybe you want to fix this up to make it look nice for somebody, to put on your machine. You want to spiff up the machine, renew it. Maybe you want to sell it. Who knows? Who cares? Not my business. I'll probably end up reselling this bumper here. So, anyways, let's get right to her. Show you how I get her done. Maybe straighten her out a little bit too. As you can see, I had already started here on this one, so you can kind of see here the difference. I was kind of getting that old rust off and shit. Let's get the rest of her cleaned off here. Get her painted up. Well, that's pretty decent. Can't, it's all on how much time you want to spend on her. I mean, you can get in the little nooks and crannies or something else if you want to, but it was pretty fun. I got the major rust off. I got her down to just give her a quick little wash here before we spray her down. There we go. Warm water and dish soap is plenty fine. initial is a brake degreaser. Removing grease or dirt and contaminants. Make sure you don't miss any spots. Also clean the nooks and crannies too. Here, we'll let this guy here dry here for a few minutes, and we'll come back and we'll shoot some paint to her. Alright, now that we got our phone all unloaded here. Phone is all full of memory. Memory is all full of me. So yeah, like I was saying earlier, all we got here is a bed liner. I like to use it. It's nice, strong stuff. It's textured. It hides, all the little imperfections. Don't really got a freaking time underneath of it or anything. You just spray it straight on. It'll be plenty fun. A couple test sprays. This stuff goes on nice and thick too, so you almost don't even gotta really. Alright, so here you have it. Looks pretty decent. It's not brand new by any means, but much more appealing if somebody wants to come purchase this piece, or if you want to slap it back on your machine and maybe get a little bit extra resale out of it, makes it a little eye appealing, a lot easier to sell a machine that looks good with a bumper looking like that than something that looks like this. That's for sure. So awesome, there you have it, the easy as pie. That's the rear bumper. We'll slap that back on there maybe, or probably, actually this will probably end up being for sale here real shortly. And hopefully it won't last too long. We'll see how long this takes to sell. So yeah, this is just one of the simple tips and tricks that I use to spiff up some parts real quick. I mean, less than an hour's time, about $20 maybe in materials, for a can of this stuff. And one can will do 2 of these, no problem. I think it was about $10 or $11 or $12, I think, maybe, for the wire bristle wheel there. So I mean, not too much, maybe about an hour's time at the most. So, definitely worth it. Makes a difference between being able to sell this part for, maybe $100 to being able to sell it for $150, you know what I mean? Or even, getting the 140 out of her instead of people beating you down to like 75, 80 or whatever, right? No, it's a nice part. Look at that, They look at that, they don't see no issues with it. They grab her, they're gone. There you go. Three-Toe Joe out. You guys keep the shiny side up and all four on the floor there, right?